Must be the woodpecker dance. I gotta go out and put more feed in the feeders. I'm sorry, it's just too freaking funny. Oh my god, he was doing this for a while before I got the camera. I was watching him, it's like, what the heck is he doing? I had to get the camera to show you guys this. I gotta fill that up with seed. I gotta get the seed here in a minute. We buy it by the 40-pound bags, fill up that feeder we bought at a garage sale, and that one there we bought new. You like that suet block? There's still some seed in there. They kill them pretty quick. I just filled them up like day before yesterday. They love this one. Suet blocks are cheap. They're only like $1.15. Sometimes you can get them for 89 cents. But I didn't myself enjoy the birds around here. Actually, the dogs do too. There's about 4 of these woodpeckers, and then there's a real pretty one with a big red head that hangs around here. A couple hummingbirds. Got a hummingbird feeder over here somewhere. Right, I got one. It's down now because it's fall and getting ready for snow. I'm going to do his woodpecker dance out here. It's been going on for over 3.5 minutes. 4.5 minutes. 4:20 right now. He's still dancing. It's the woodpecker dance.